welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I'm Angela or Aditola, and I own Food Feast. I cook, I make food products, and I do recipes too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And today we're going to be making lasagna. I'm going to show you guys my easy to do lasagna and the little bit of edits I've added for myself just to make the food palatable to my specification. So here I've got some salt, lasagna pasta. You can get that from Tesco's, literally any supermarket, and I'm using dough meal tomato sauce and the creamy sauce because I cannot be asked to make that from scratch, so I usually just buy it from the shop. I'm using mixed herbs, chili, seasoning cubes, or you can use seasoning powder. Cheese of choice is mozzarella and mincemeat. And now I'm gonna show you how I make the sauce and put everything together to make my nice lasagna. So to make the sauce for my lasagna, I'll use butter and not oil to first fry the mincemeat. So just like a tablespoon of your butter would do. I'm going to season with some chili flakes, a lot of it actually, mixed herbs, seasoning powder, whatever it is you're using. And some salt. And now that I've fried the meat till it's cooked, then I'll add my lasagna tomato sauce. You can buy this in any shop, or if you want to try making it from scratch, please go for it. But I can't be asked, so I just emptied the whole thing. Right, so after making the sauce and everything is ready now, I'll layer my lasagna, then I'll pop it in the oven. And I will start off with the tomato sauce, with the mincemeat and the tomato sauce that I've just cooked now. So then the white lasagna sauce. And my cheese, I'm using the grated mozzarella cheese. For my lasagna sheets, and I usually cut it to fit. Let's see. This is the lasagna after it's been in the oven for 30 minutes. I'm 180 degrees, so it's ready to eat now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.